In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with clients in FreshBooks. Let's start right at the beginning. Open your browser and log into your FreshBooks account. Using the web app gives you the full set of client management tools, so it's great for setting things up and keeping everything organized. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Clients. This is your client directory. Think of it as your command center for the people and companies you work with. You can scroll to browse or use search and filters to quickly find who you need as your list grows. To add someone new, click New Client. A form will open where you can enter key details like the client's name, email, and mailing address. Add only what you need to invoice and communicate effectively. Accuracy here saves time, later double-check spellings, and that the primary email is the one you'll use for invoices and estimates. When everything looks right, save your new client to create their profile. After saving, open the client's profile. This page brings all activity for that client into one place. You'll see a clear overview of their balance, recent documents, and contact info. As you continue working with them, this is where you'll come back to view history and keep things tidy. Near the top of the profile, you'll find a More Actions menu. Use this when you need to edit client information, delete a client you no longer work with, or generate a client statement. A statement is a concise summary of invoices, payments, and any outstanding amounts handy for check-ins or month-end reviews. Before deleting, make sure you won't need the history, since that action can impact your records. There's also a relationship section within the profile where you can add internal notes. Use it to capture preferences, milestones, or quick recaps of conversations. Keeping notes brief and date relevant makes them easy to scan later, and they're meant for your team's reference, not shared with the client. Finally, look next to the client's name for a small settings icon. Click it to adjust client-specific preferences. Here, you can fine-tune details like default terms, taxes, currency, or language, depending on your setup. These settings help you stay consistent across invoices and communications for that client. Be sure to save any updates, and remember that changes typically apply to new documents going forward. That's the workflow. Access, FreshBooks, open clients, add a new client, manage their profile, use more actions when needed, keep notes in relationship, and tailor preferences through the settings icon. With these tools, you'll keep client records clean, professional, and easy to maintain.